So before this video gets started, if you recently signed up to be an Uber driver, but you forgot to use a referral code to get your promo of up to $1,000, it's okay. I'm gonna leave 7 steps down below to apply a referral code retroactively. It takes about 30 seconds and you can do it right in your Uber driver app. A lot of people don't know that, but if you signed up for Uber and you never used a referral code, you know, it's not too late. You can actually go back and apply someone's code. Obviously, if you haven't signed up yet, you can just sign up normally. I'll have links down below for both Uber and Lyft. But yeah, if you signed up, you never used a code, it's not too late. Just follow the steps down below and you can get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. My name's Dylan and I am the founder of the Rideshare Hub, and in today's video we're talking about how Lyft is launching bonuses. Like, that's pretty awesome. Lyft is launching bonuses, and also, by the way guys, if you click my link down below to sign up for Lyft, you get a guarantee of up to $2,400 in my area. You can still sign up in other areas too, but let's just look at that really quick because I think that's awesome. And not only today's video is not about the sign up, that was just an addition. Lyft is launching weekly bonuses though, ride bonuses, multiple trip bonuses. That's really good. Why? Because they are in high demand for new drivers. They want to get a lot of new drivers on the road because of the illness that's going on. I don't want to say that word because YouTube is listening and they will demonetize me, I think. But what was I saying is that essentially Lyft is trying to get a bunch of drivers out on the road and not only get new drivers, but also get drivers to stick with them because they don't want drivers you know, doing both apps because they want drivers to drive for their platform, which is understandable. So before I get into the video, if you can please do me one simple tiny little favor and hit that video with a big thumbs up. Just go down, turn that thumbs up button blue. And also I wanted to say thank you to our sponsor of today's video, the like button. It just takes one simple click to click that like button and it's completely free. So you can sign up for the like button by smashing the like button. I am in the process of moving right now. If you guys haven't seen my apartment tour vlog, go check it out. I thought it was pretty interesting. I showed you guys where I live, where I sleep, where I shower. And I told you how much I pay for my rent, and it was totally pretty much empty apartment. I mean, I had my TV in bed and everything, but I'm in the process of moving, so if you could please leave the video with a big thumbs up, I would appreciate that because, you know, I'm moving boxes, I'm editing, I'm sleeping, I'm filming. I'm not really sleeping, but try and get these videos out for you. But without further ado, let's hop right into the video. By the way, I just wanted to show you guys, if you use that link down below, I did just want to show you guys, if you do go down here and use the link down below for new Lyft drivers. Look at this, open up this link and check this out. This is pretty awesome. Here we go. Make $2,400 guaranteed in Orange County. That's pretty awesome. Sign up to drive. And if you don't even have a car, you can click I need a car and they will literally give you a car. You do have to pay. It does come out of your earnings though. Just made a video on that called Lyft Express Drive. Go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. But in today's video, we're looking at the weekly bonuses. So I just found this. So this is Uber, by the way. So Uber is also, I think they're competing with each other right now. I mean, obviously they are competing companies, but they're trying to, this is great. This is really great. It's almost like when gas stations, like you put 2 gas stations right next to each other, they keep lowering by 1 cent. The other gas station across the street lowers by 2 cents, then it goes down and down and down. So, or like when you're buying a car and you know, you can say, take your offer to another dealership and say, well, you know, I got a similar price, whatever. It's negotiating. So I think Uber's launching these bonuses, 70 trips for $20. It's not that great. 80 trips for 25 bucks. 60 trips, an extra $15, 80 trips, an extra. Why is that not that great? Well, if you do the math, 20 trips divided by, or $20 divided by 70 trips, it's only an extra 28 cents per trip. That's hardly nothing. But let's look at Lyft's really quick. That's my gas, don't look at that. Okay, I just have so many screen recordings in here. But let's take a look at Lyft's promos. So this is their streak bonuses. This is in Las Vegas. Somebody sent me this. Look at this, $15 streak for 3 rides in a row. This is for Saturday night. And then 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., $15 streak for 3 rides. You can easily hit both of those streaks. This is called streak bonuses. So if you go out and choose to drive on Saturday night from 9 p.m. to 3 a.m., that's 6 hours of driving, you're basically gonna get guaranteed an extra $30 as long as you do 3 rides within those time frames. And you might think, Dylan, 30 bucks is not that much, but that's 30 bucks on top of what you're already making. So that's changing you from having, you know, making 150 bucks to almost making 200. That's a game changer right there. That could pay for your gas. That essentially pays for your gas for the whole time. They're basically saying, here's free gas plus buy yourself a snack. Or that might even be gas for 2 days. That's pretty good. And then on Sunday night, $15 streak as well. So Uber's fighting back, and look at this. They're even making it bigger. Look at this on, what is this, Sunday night? Sunday night, look at this, guys. 11 p.m. 3 trips for $18. So they're literally fighting with each other. I swear. Uber's like, no, we're gonna make ours a little better. Trust me. This is also in Las Vegas, so I want to compare 2 of the same markets in the same time because I think that is fair. And then look at this, Uber has multiple streak bonus, consecutive trip bonuses throughout the day. So like Uber and Lyft are fighting back. I, for whatever reason, prefer driving Lyft just because I feel like I'm just more comfortable with the app, and I feel like the deliveries are a little bit better, or the passengers are a little bit better. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Again, check out the links down below. There's a bunch of different cool ways to make money in the description. Different links to check out if you want to increase your income or start a new side hustle for extra income. Now is the time to do it. There's a lot of cool ways to make money in the description down below. If you forgot to use a referral code when you sign for Uber, there, you just read the description down below. I don't want to explain everything. But anyways, leave the video with a big thumbs up for appreciation for filming these videos. I would really appreciate that. And again, have an amazing day, and I will talk to you all soon. Later, guys. Peace.